Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW with a 6-cylinder gasoline engine such as N51 or N52 guys, and you're trying to find how to remove the serpentine belt, replace the serpentine belt, how to install it, where your tensioner pulley is located, stay with us, we'll explain that. It will show you guys actually on a 3 Series BMW, but that engine has been used in 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series BMWs guys. You can even find it in X3 and X5 BMW. Well, that's what we'll be showing you today. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop guys, we make at least 200 free repair videos, and specifically on that engine alone we'll have probably more than 200 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information guys. Now, if you need to buy a new belt, let's say tensioner pulley, tools that we'll be using, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out guys. This is it, this is the engine. We have the whole front end removed guys, as you can see. Radiator fan is here, radiators there, and those are our other channels. We have quite helpful information about car diagnostics on BMW on this channel, Electrical Car Repair Life, so please guys subscribe as well. You do not need to remove your front end of the car, that's for sure, but you have the radiator fan. You don't want guys that fan to actually activate and your fingers can get stuck in the fan and it can cut them off. So what I recommend, disconnect the car battery before you start working on the car. Number 2, it really matters on modern vehicles which battery terminal you reconnect and disconnect first, because otherwise you can cause damage to the electrical system, you can cause damage to the engine computers guys. And if you don't know about that, we have the video that explains all that in the description of the video below. With all that being said, this is the N52 engine. Some of you, depending on the model and configuration, things may differ a little, but you have your alternator, idle pulley, power steering pump, crankshaft pulley, you have guys right here, tensioner pulley, and AC compressor. Now on the tensioner pulley you have one place, one slot where you're going to install torque 60 star looking bit like this one there, and go ahead, okay, and go clockwise, release the belt, remove it, pretty simple. Now just go ahead and pull the whole belt out guys, okay. You just start on one side, okay, and just start pulling that thing out. The one that will come hard, okay, is usually the AC compressor right there. So we'll go ahead, okay, we got it out, and we'll show you now how to install a new belt guys. So we're ready to install the new belt. Let us show you guys how to do that now. Pretty simple. You just start guys on one side. We start on the AC compressor that way, okay. That's the hardest one to do, and it will give us more slack because the belt will be longer, and we'll be able to install it there first. Then we'll go to the alternator, idle pulley. We go to the power steering pump. From there we're going to go actually, okay, from a power steering pump we need to go to the crankshaft pulley. We have a video about symptoms of a bad crankshaft pulley. Make sure it aligns everywhere, and we'll hold it here. Okay, we're going to put some tension, go clockwise, install it, release, make sure that it aligns everywhere. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.